Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting side hustle opportunity, Framer. If you're creative and tech-savvy, this could be a perfect fit for you. Stick around as I share some tips on how to make money with Framer. First things first, what is Framer? Framer is a powerful prototyping tool used by designers and developers to create interactive prototypes for web and mobile apps. It's intuitive, flexible, and offers endless possibilities for creating stunning designs. With Framer, you can design everything from simple animations to complex interactions. Now, let's talk about how you can turn your Framer skills into a lucrative side hustle. Number 1, we have Freelance Design. Offer your Framer skills on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Businesses are always looking for talented designers to create prototypes for their projects. The second, we have online courses. Create and sell online courses teaching others how to use Framer. There's a growing demand for quality design tutorials, and your expertise could help others master Framer. Let's talk about templates and assets. Design and sell Framer templates and assets on marketplaces like Gumroad or Creative Market. This passive income stream can generate revenue while you sleep. So there you have it, folks. Whether you're looking to earn extra cash or start a new career, Framer offers endless opportunities. Get started today and turn your passion for design into a profitable side hustle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.